What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Drea, aka Naturally Drea, and if you're new here, go down below and click that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you never miss when I post a video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this curly puff on a twist out. So if y'all would like to know how I got these results, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so what I'm gonna start doing is pulling my hair apart because right now it's smushed from me laying on it. And now I'm just showing y'all what my curls look like from the twist out. And now I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and I'm gonna spray the perimeter of my hair. Okay, you want to make sure you are wetting your hair when you're doing a puff, because you don't want to be brushing your hair while it's dry, because that can cause breakage. So you want to always make sure your hair is at least damp when you doing the puff. And now I'm just taking my hard bristle brush and I'm just brushing my hair to get it sleek. Okay, so now I'm gonna just apply my Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream to the perimeter of my hair. And my hair is already moisturized from when I did the twist out, but I still like to go back and apply a little bit of the product just to act as a base for when I start applying the gel. And now I'm just taking my brush and I'm smoothing that product into my hair. And now I'm taking my Eco Style of Olive Oil Gel and I'm gonna just apply that to the perimeter of my hair. You can use any gel of your choice. I just prefer to use this one, but you can use anything. And now I'm just gonna continue to smooth my hair and work that gel into my edges to get it as sleek as possible. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Tangle Teezer brush and I'm gonna just brush the back of my hair because I still felt some tangles back there. And then I'm gonna go back in with my hard bristle brush and just smooth, keep continuing to smooth. And I'm continuing to add gel wherever needed, wherever I feel like I need it. Okay, and I'm gonna take this elastic band that I got from Amazon, and I'll put the link in my description. And I'm taking it and I'm applying it I'm putting it on my head, and I'm gonna crisscross the front of it. I'm gonna take my finger, put it on that middle part, as you can see, and then I'm gonna slide the back of the band up my head, and I'm gonna pull. Depending on how big you want your puff is how much you want to pull the string. If you want a big puff, you don't pull as much, but if you want your puff to be a little bit smaller, then you pull more. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is add some bobby pins. I added 2 in total. I'm going to add 1 to the front to hold that band in place. And then I'm going to take those 2 strings and I'm going to tie it to the back. And then I'm going to add a bobby pin back there just so those strings won't be hanging. Alright, now I'm just continuing to use that brush to get my hair sleek. and to lay down those flyaways I got from when I was forming my puff. And I'm still adding gel wherever needed. Alright, and you can stop here if you would like. If you're not really into doing edges, but I am, so I like my hair to have swoops in it, my edges to have swoops in it, so that's what I'm gonna do. But you can stop here if you would like. And now I'm just fluffing my puff to where I want it, to get it how I want it. And now I'm gonna take my Elo Organics Honey and Ginger Edge Control, and I'm gonna apply that to the to my edges. Not too much, just a little bit. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is take this little comb slash brush that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm gonna just swoop my edges. And like I said, this is completely optional. I just like to do this because I like the way it looks. It looks a little bit more neat to me, and it just adds a little bit of spice to the puff. Alright, and this is what that side looks like when I'm done slicking it. It look real nice. And now I'm just gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna do the same thing. And it kind of take me a while to do my edges because I be trying to, you know, I'm a Virgo, so you know, Virgos, we perfectionists. We like everything to be perfect, so now I'm just trying to get them perfect. I'm trying to get it as neat as possible. Alright y'all, this is the last step and the most important step. You want to always make sure you apply a scarf to the perimeter of your hair if you want your the perimeter of your hair to be sleek all day. Alright y'all, this is the finished product. If y'all like this video, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And leave a comment down below on any video suggestions you might have. Makeup or hair. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.